SpringPoint's Equipment Manager, or EM, is designed to organize, track, and manage your physical assets. EM is highly flexible and will accommodate any type of asset or equipment. Equipment Manager comes preset with common industrial equipment classifications. A few examples are motor, pump, and generator, along with their customizable attributes. Administrators are able to customize where needed. You can even track company-specific items such as boats, vehicles, or even buildings, as you will see in a moment. Once entered into the software, items can be searched by ID number, customer, classification, make, model, serial number, any of your customized fields, and even a local nickname. The Equipment Details page for each item displays current location, status, an identifying photo, a system-generated QR code for quick record retrieval, an item description field for free text, and all your customized attributes. Other pages in the equipment record show location and status history, routine inspections, maintenance, and repair, all organized for quick access. Assigned IMRs can be completed electronically using the integrated QM Wizard, or even uploaded from other outside test equipment. Inspection, quality, internal, and final reports are stored within the IMR Documents tab, while the Technical Documents tab provides easy access to manuals, warranty information, and any number of additional images. The Log tab stores internal notes about the equipment, while the Related Equipment tab shows relationships between different pieces of equipment with quick access to those records. Contact SpringPoint for more information on setup and the use of Equipment Manager for your particular application.